How to use Binance Auto-Invest quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can use the Auto-Invest function on Binance. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you are going to do is you are going to log on to your Binance account. Once you log on to your Binance account, you're just going to go on to the Earn section on the top over here. And once you click on Earn, the Earn section, you're going to have Auto-Invest on the bottom right, and you're just going to click on Auto-Invest over here. Now, once you do that, you can see over here that you have your Auto-Invest plan. So Auto-Invest is basically a function that enables you to invest in a coin short-term or long-term with a specific Auto-Invest function where you have the risk warning, and you also have future risk warnings as well, where you have the return on investment data provided. Now, the historical return on investment data that is provided by Binance, I will say that it is not substantially accurate. It is pretty good, but it is not as accurate as you might think. You can see that the Auto-Invest has super high rates of your investment or return on investments, but you don't actually get that investment ROI, and I will explain to you why. The reason for that is, for example, if I buy BTC today, and this is July. If I buy BTC in July for 30K and the price of BTC in the next month goes to 40K and I buy BTC at 40K and then in the next month it goes to 45K, then the ROI that they will give me will be based on the terms of the first time that I bought the BTC on the Auto-Invest. However, the actual ROI that you will be getting will be dependent on the average price. So if I open my calculator over here, if I'm buying the first BTC at 30 and buying the second BTC at 40 and buying the third BTC at 43, then this would be the total amount. And if I divide this by 3, my average buying price would be 37,000 USD, not actually be 30,000. This would be the average price that I am paying for my investment. And if I calculate my return on investment based on this price, the historical ROI is not accurate on Binance. Now, even though this is one thing to keep in mind, don't worry about it, because even though this is, inflated to a little extent, you are still able to get a lot of different good investment features on the Auto-Invest on Binance. So what you're going to do is you can click on create a plan over here and click on add coins, or you can see there are multiple different coins over here. So let's say I want to invest in BTC, and you have multiple different time frames that you can invest in. Let's say you want to do it for 7 days, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 3 years. So let's say I want to invest for 7 days. You're going to click on create a plan. Then you can choose to buy the BTC with a credit card or any other format. Then you can add your subscription amount, so however many USDT you want to go ahead with. So you can see the amount per period is 1000 USDT. So I want to be buying 1000 worth of BTC with my USDT. And now I can set the recurring cycle. So if I want to recur this purchase daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, so you can set it on bi-weekly. Let's say you want to repeat it on Friday, or maybe weekly, or something along those lines. So let's say you want to do it on Friday, or let's say you want to do it weekly on Wednesdays, and then, or maybe Sundays, and then you can choose the specific local time as well. And then you can also use your flexible savings balance, where your assets are redeemed from your flexible savings and used towards Auto-Invest when the spot balance is insufficient. So if you want, you can turn this function on, but this will deduct money from your savings account instead of your spot account or your fiat account. But for most people, I wouldn't suggest turning that on, because you want to keep your savings separated. And then you're just going to click on I have read and agreed to the Binance Auto-Invest agreement, and click on confirm over here, and your Auto-Invest plan will be started. So you can see over here you will have your invest 1000 USDT weekly into BTC, and this will show you the total investment, the unrealized gain and loss, and the plan starting time. Now, even once you have created a plan, you can also go ahead and edit it before the plan has started. And you have multiple different options with Auto-Invest over here. You have over 63 coins available that you can invest in the Auto-Invest function on Binance. So there are quite a few different options. You can click on add coins, and you can choose any 2 coins to start. Let's say that I want to continue on, and I want to buy SHIB, and I want to go ahead with Atom and SHIB. And now you can see your portfolio and allocation. So let's say how much percentage of your money do you want to invest in multiple coins at once. So let's say that you want to auto invest in like 5 to 6 or 7 different coins. Then you can add multiple coins and then add the amount of percentage. So let's say I want 60% of my money to be in SHIB and I want 40% to be in Atom. And once you do that, you're going to add the amount of USDT you want to be spending on this. So let's say I want to do a $100 investment or 100 USDT investment, and then you can choose your recurring cycle. Maybe I want to invest this monthly, and then I can add the date of the month, or maybe you want to do it daily, weekly, however often you want. So let's say I want to do this investment on the 27th of every month, and then you can add the local time as well. Let's say I want to do it on 11 p.m. And once you do that, you can choose, you're just going to click on agree to the Binance Auto-Invest agreement and click on confirm over here. And just like that, your second plan has been created as well. So you can see over here, this is really going to simplify the Auto-Invest platform for you. You can easily get started, and you can also click on pause Auto-Invest to pause the Auto-Invest. So this would still be over here. This would, the plan overview, if you go into your plan overview, your auto invest that you created is still going to be there. You have just temporarily turned it off. So you can choose to turn it off and on temporarily as you go. Let's say that maybe in 1 week you are feeling like you don't want to invest in BTC this week or this month, then you can also choose to turn this off as well. So that is how simple and easy it is to get started with this. Now, for this, you need to make sure that your wallet, if you go into your wallet overview, that you go ahead and click on deposit and deposit your fiat, or which is the recurring, like the actual currency that you use, and you buy USD and then transfer that USD. So once you have deposited it in your wallet using any of the methods that you want, you can go ahead and go into your fiat and spot account and make sure that you have fiat or spot account USDT to be able to continue with these trades. So you can click on transfer over here and make sure that you have the money in your fiat or spot account. If you ever feel like you need to get more money and you have money in your other accounts, you can choose the USD M futures account or coin M futures or isolated futures account or wallet that you might have, and send money back into your spot or fiat accounts as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to better understand the auto invest function on Binance. It is a relatively new function that has been created, and for people that are just looking for a safe and secure method to get started with crypto, and you're just trying to input the money that you have in crypto, you're slowly beginning to learn and invest in crypto, then this is definitely going to be a good option for you to invest in crypto instead of having to go ahead and do bank deposits or credit or debit card transfers or purchases or P2P purchases every month, week, or day. You can easily go ahead and purchase any kind of token, any of the 62 available tokens directly from your auto invest function and accumulate crypto, and then later on you can use the crypto that you have accumulated in your spot trades, margin trades, or even future trades. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you have any questions or queries regarding Binance or auto invest in Binance, make sure to ask in the comment box down below. I would love to help you guys out, and I will catch you guys in the next video.